What happens when America's largest military aircraft breaks down? You don't call a mechanic, you call an army of engineers. This giant weighs more than 800 and even its tires are taller than most people. Today,
before a single wrench turns, this flying giant demands respect. The C-5M Super Galaxy is among the largest. Maintaining it isn't measured in hours.
Few aircraft can literally open their faces. The Super Galaxy's nose lifts upward. This allows oversized cargo to be loaded directly. Every hydraulic component must function flawlessly. Each engine generates tremendous thrust, but replacing it is no small feat. Removing a unit requires precision. Highly trained technicians work together. With 28 wheels supporting hundreds of thousands of pounds, the landing gear is an engineering marvel of its own. Every component undergoes meticulous inspections before this giant returns to the skies. After thousands of inspections and countless engineering checks, America's giant takes flight once again, an invisible army of maintainers, keeping this remarkable machine ready for anything.
All floor rollers are secure.
Copy that, checking the main restraints now.
Stepping inside the C-5M feels less like entering an aircraft and more like walking through a flying warehouse. Transport helicopters, armored vehicles, and life-saving supplies anywhere in the world.
Pressure is stabilizing at 3,000 psi. Check the secondary system. Nothing moves aboard this giant without hydraulic power. From opening its enormous cargo doors, thousands of pounds of hydraulic force silently. A single leak can become a major challenge.
Engineers begin by linking advanced diagnostics directly to the flight computer. Every avionics system is meticulously checked. This ensures total system integrity before flight.
Modern aircraft are flying computers. Before every mission, engineers interrogate thousands of data points hidden deep within its electronic systems, and every story must be understood before takeoff. Initiating NDT scan on panel Bravo 7.
Copy that. Proceed with inspection.
These massive wings carry extraordinary loads across continents. Engineers search for imperfections invisible to the naked eye, because even the strongest aircraft depend.
All systems are green. Ready for departure.
Long before its wheels leave the runway, this mission has already succeeded. Technicians in the hands of maintainers whose work makes every flight possible is ready once again.
But what happens when this giant suffers damage, thousands of miles away from home?
In the next chapter, craft anywhere in the world, even in the middle of a military deployment. Let's get to work.
Let's get the floodlights on the main landing gear.
Copy that. I'm checking the hydraulic lines now.
Not every repair happens inside a giant maintenance facility. Sometimes the world's largest military aircraft must be repaired far from home, where engineers have only one goal. Even the smallest microscopic flaw cannot be Advanced NDT mapping reveals what lies beneath the skin. Engineers analyze data to structural integrity, guaranteeing this massive fleet remains flight ready. The biggest problems are not always visible. Engineers use advanced inspection methods to detect hidden weaknesses before they fail. Every connection must prove its strength.
Initiate system test.
Pressure holding at 3,000.
The C-5M's unique ability to open from the front and rear makes it one of the most capable transport aircraft ever built. But these massive doors rely on complex systems that require perfect maintenance.
Flight computers check out. Comms established. Copy that. Bringing electrical systems online now. Actuating spoilers. Watch for response.
Before the first takeoff after repairs, every system must answer one question. Can it be trusted?
Fix it.
Nothing escapes inspection. The restored C-5M Super Galaxy begins its takeoff roll. Massive wings lift the giant into the golden sky. After days of inspections and repairs, the moment arrives. The engines roar and the super galaxy returns to the thousands of hours of human expertise and engineering precision.
The C-5M's engines are apart for inspection. Engineers check every blade for micro cracks. This ensures maximum reliability in flight.
An aircraft is only as reliable as its engines. Each turbofan pan powering the super galaxy contains thousands of precision-engineered components.
Check the hydraulic lines for any leaks. Align it with the axle. Looks good, lock it in.
Supporting this flying giant requires an equally remarkable landing gear system. Its wheels endure tremendous forces during the aircraft's ability to carry massive cargo around the globe.
Beneath the floor lies a hidden world. Mapping hydraulic lines on grid 4. Pressure checks are holding. Let's check the bundle.
Most passengers will never see what lies beneath an aircraft's floor. Hidden within the super galaxy are countless systems, integrity. This invisible engineering makes every mission possible.
Exterior panels secured. All latches locked and verified.
Copy that, initiating systems check.
Navigation lights operational.
Cargo doors sealed, systems green.
An aircraft is only as reliable as its engines. Each turbofan contains thousands of precision components, operating at extreme temperatures.
Supporting this flying giant requires an equally remarkable landing gear system. Maintaining them isn't simply placing tires, it's preserving the airy bill of cargo around the globe.
Beneath the robust cargo floor lies the aircraft's central nervous system. Massive networks of cables and hydraulics require precise checks.
Checking line 42. Pressure looks nominal.
Here, most passengers will never see what lies beneath an aircraft's floor. Hidden within the super galaxy are countless systems responsible for hydraulic operations and structural integrity.
All external panels and locks are secure for deployment.
The final inspection may be the most important of all,
Before engineers place their cross continents.
carrying both cargo and responsibility. For decades, this extraordinary has connected continents, yet its greatest strength isn't measured tons of cargo or thousands of miles flown.
The C-5M super galaxy is not only one of remarkable engineering, it's a story of the people who keep it flying. They ensure that America's flying giant is always ready.
If you enjoyed exploring the incredible engineering behind America's largest military aircraft, don't forget to subscribe. Which aircraft or the mysterious doomsday plane? Let us know in the comments and we'll mince.